काल सांजे पावणे सुमार एक आमकां फॅटल एक्सिडेंट रिपोर्ट जालो नीव वाडे नियर काजी स्टॉप संतोशी माता टेंपल आसा ती थंय एक बायल नेमली शी इज अ विक्टीम ममता शेटे एज अबाउट 59 years ती रोड क्रॉस करताली आनी रोड क्रॉस करून तिणें अर्द रोड क्रॉस केलो आनी इतल्यान तिणें गाडी येता मोटरसायकल येता ती पयली आनी ती मोटरसायकल इतली फास्ट आशिल्ली सो ती ताका लागून बेगीन क्रॉस करपाक गेली आनी ते मोटरसायकलीन हाडून तिका डॅश दिली ती ऑन द स्पॉट ती पडली आनी एक्सपायर जाली. सो मागीर आमी इन्क्वायरी केली तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की तो रायडर आशिल्लो ती बायक MT यमाहा मेक ताजो रायडर पळय जो आशिल्लो तो चायल्ड इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इतलो इज अ मायनर आनीक ताका चलोवपाक दिल्लो तो ओनर इज अ मेजर. सो आमी हाजेर ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केलो अंडर सेक्शन 279 337 304A 191 सबसेक्शन 2 of MV Act and 345 of MV Act. So this is not an accident. When you are a minor, you know that you are unauthorized to ride any vehicle, you don't have a license, and owner also know that he is not having a license. So accident this is a culpable homicide amounting to murder, not amounting to murder. So we have registered the offence under section 304 and not 304A, and we arrested the owner of the bike and also detained the child in conflict law, and he is sent to Apnagar for the further action, and our further investigation is in progress. So before this one more accident took place at Chikalim. At that time also we made awareness that parents should take the care of their children and they should not be allowed to ride any vehicles without license, or if they are minor they should not be allowed to ride any vehicles. But here is the same thing, the minor drove the vehicle and dashed against one lady, innocent lady, in which she succumbed to injuries. So we have in future also I am telling that if these parents are allowing to ride the vehicle to the minor children, we will book them along with them. So now here the owner of the person is not a parent, is some other person, he is a friend of the accused who is child in conflict with law. So we booked him also under section 304A because he was having knowledge that he can commit any offence when he is not having any license. Till then he handed over his vehicle to the minor child and allowed him to ride the vehicle.